Yo, it's your boy Tiger, and I'm here with one of the best doctor ever for your back chiropractor, Dr. Shoshani. Yo, I appreciate you, Doc, and I got the biggest back problem right now, so I have to come to the best.
We're gonna get you sorted. So we went over your history. Let's go face down. Went over your history, some weightlifting injuries early on in life.
Yes.
He's had some success with acupuncture. Hasn't had chiropractic in a minute, but I'm just gonna point out a couple things while I do them, so if anyone watching this could really understand what I'm looking at. So we're looking at his leg length discrepancy. I'm looking where the heel meets the bottom of the shoe. When I have him in extension, that left leg's pretty short. Most of your symptoms are on the left side, so relax your butt for me. When I bend, crosses over, and you're feeling that in the lower back.
Oh, yes.
Where are you feeling it? Like when you reach around? So you're feeling it like in the SI joints.
Yeah.
So the first thing that jumped out at me is this left SI is super locked up. So we're gonna do what's called the side posture adjustment to really open up this joint. So lay on this side of your body. Okay, pick your head up. Okay, good. So I got you here. The idea behind this is come closer to me. Come closer with that. Yeah, good. Now, if it doesn't move, we don't like to force things, but we want to kind of breathe in for me and let your air out. All the way out, 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 out. Drop this.
Sheesh.
Okay, let's go face down once more on your stomach. So, okay. So now, we're looking for at least a little bit more of improvement there. And when I bend, that's still bugging you like it did?
No, not really. Wow.
Not really. Okay, good.
What?
So now, exactly. So now what we're gonna do is to finish it off, I'm gonna use the drop technique. Good. I'm gonna adjust the mid dorsals. So breathe in for me. Stretch out. Good, getting you sorted, my man. So after today's adjustment, I want you to go home, take it easy, rest up. You'll probably be a little sore.
Yeah.
Breathe again. And stretch. That moved before I even did anything.
Yeah.
Even higher. Same thing. Good. Just trying to make sure those areas are moving.
Damn.
Damn is right. That looks really nice. Flip over, lay on your back.
Woo! I thought these guys would be like maybe exaggerating on camera, but oh my goodness.
Wait till we do the ring dinger.
Oh my God.
Good, so what this move does, it distracts the hip, also creates space for the lower lumbar spine. Good, now sit up facing this sign over here, sitting up. Sit right here. Sit on this one a little bit more.
Yeah.
And it might be easier if we take the sweatshirt off.
Okay.
Good. So take the sweatshirt off, you leave it right here, and when you're ready, I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna undo years of tension, pressure. Your butt goes here, feet go there. Lay on your back.
Lay on my back.
Yep. Move down a little bit. Right there is perfect. All right. So you've seen the videos.
I'm scared.
I'm going to talk you through it, but I won't do anything without telling you first.
Right.
Okay, so that should be above the top of your hips.
So is it above?
I'm going to have to make sure it is. Okay, so breathe in and let it all the way out. Slide down a little bit down. Down this way, 30 feet. Yeah, that's it. All right, you're in really tight. Yeah. Take your hands and push really hard towards me to push. So you're in there locked in perfectly.
Yes.
Hands like this. So, what's gonna happen is you're gonna keep your mouth closed. You're gonna breathe in and out through your nose. Okay, good. The pull's gonna come from here. Okay, and then as soon as I do the pull, I'm gonna take the pins out. If I feel like I got a real successful pull,
Yeah.
I will only do it once. If I don't feel like I got it to release like I needed to, I'll do it again, but I'll make sure you know.
Right.
So the pull's gonna come from here. Breathe in and all the way out. Breathe in and all the way out, all the way out. Wiggle those toes. Let me see, shake them.
Oh!
Stay right there. Put your head down.
Oh, what a jaw. Ooh. Wow.
Stay right there. Let that simmer.
Wow. Sheesh.
All right. Waking you up, right?
What?
That's it. Stay
I never felt something like that before.
It's pretty wild, right?
What?
3. No problem. Stay right there.
Ooh.
Now, what's gonna happen? Wait till this comes to a complete stop.
Oh.
Turn your whole body facing the window.
Facing the window.
Yep. And push yourself up with the hand to standing. And stand up now.
Wow.
Wow, what?
I feel great.
Feel lighter?
Yes.
Turn around. Less pain?
Wow. Yes, that's being immediate.
Sit up straight. So this instrument is called the ArthroStim.
Yeah.
I like to finish the chiropractic adjustment with this. Helps reinforce neurologically good patterning. So, wow. So I think when you said you came in, your pain was like a 5 or 6.
You're right.
What number would you give it after today's adjustment?
Like right now?
Yeah, like right now.
Honestly, I don't feel anything right now.
Walk around. You don't feel the pain that you came in with?
No, I don't. Like when I cough, it would hurt, but I don't feel it right now.
That's awesome. That's what we're talking about.
Wow. What? You're laughing. I'm dead serious. Oh my God. You're not.
That's the shit.
Ah! Yo.
That's good. That's the shit.
Wow.